Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ecobee Smart Thermostat with HomeKit integration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Ecobee Smart Thermostat installed and powered on. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your thermostat. Download and install the Ecobee app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Ecobee app and create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Follow the prompts in the app to add your thermostat. Select Add Device and choose Thermostat from the list of options. The app will prompt you to scan the unique QR code located on your thermostat. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will connect to your thermostat. Confirm that your location settings are enabled for the app. Next, tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the app screen. Select HomeKit from the list of available options. You will see instructions to generate a HomeKit setup code. Follow the prompts to generate the HomeKit code. Make note of the code or scan the HomeKit setup QR code displayed on your device. Now, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the Add Accessory button, typically located in the top right corner. Next, choose I don't have a code or cannot scan at the bottom of the screen. Search for your Ecobee Smart Thermostat from the list of accessories. Once found, select it and enter the HomeKit setup code when prompted. After successfully adding your thermostat, customize its name and location in your Home app. To adjust settings, return to the Ecobee app for more detailed control. You can now use Siri to manage your thermostat with simple voice commands. Explore the various features within the Ecobee app to optimize your home's heating and cooling. Congratulations, your Ecobee Smart Thermostat is now fully configured with HomeKit integration. Enjoy the convenience and energy savings of your new smart thermostat system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.